Hey guys, welcome to our channel RudraVed. Today we brought you another 5-minute dumbbell legs workout. Okay, so the bifurcation is same, simple. 45 seconds of exercise followed by 15 seconds of rest. That completes 1 minute, and there are 5 exercises, 1 into 5, 5 minutes. Okay, we are utilizing full 5 minutes. Okay, so let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. The first exercise is squats. Narrow, wide, narrow, wide, narrow, wide, narrow, wide. Come on, keep pushing. And relax. 15 seconds of rest. The next exercise is Hanuman Baitak. Okay. Breathe from the nose. Do not use your mouth. And we are starting in start. Hanuman Baitak. Do it like this and like this and okay. Do a full squat. Touch the heel to the buttocks. Okay. If you can't practice, go towards it. Heel towards the ceiling. Get the maximum benefits. Slow and controlled form. Do not jump. Don't do it like this. Simple. Calm down. And relax. Next is stepping lunges. We're going to step forward. Alternate, of course. 4 seconds left. And start. Stepping lunges. Right. Back. Create 90. Create 90 here. See, chest up and straight. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. We're almost done. And relax. The next exercise is glutes bridges. It's the fourth exercise. 4 seconds left. And start. See, simply put a dumbbell here and throw it like this, slowly. Slowly in the sense, it should not injure your hips or your abdomen. You can create a pressure from the hands as well. Stop here for 1 second, then slowly come down like this. You're almost done. And relax. The last exercise is calf raises, dumbbell standing calf raises. Then you are done. Okay, we are starting in start. Pick up the dumbbell. Simple. Calf raises. Slow form. Stop here. Come down slowly. Go fully up. Stop there. Come down slowly. Do it like this to get the maximum benefits. Don't just complete the reps. Feel them. 5 seconds left. And we are done. We are done. Almost feeling burn in my legs. Okay, so do try this workout. If you want more, do 2, 3, 4 rounds, or you can use it as a finisher in your gym workout or a standalone workout. I guess this alone 5 minutes was enough. Okay, see you in the next video. Jai Shri Ram.